Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Charleston Marriott in Charleston, South Carolina, and we're going to be taking a hotel room tour of a double queen room at this hotel. We are staying in room 1009. Slip on the light. Here's your safety information. Nothing about coronavirus, though, unfortunately. Right in here is a linen closet. You got your ironing board, you got a luggage rack. And it looks like this may be circuit breaker box. That won't close anymore, apparently. Good job, Parker. Good job. There's your pinhole where you can look out and make sure no peeping toms are looking in. Locks the deadbolt. It's got an automatic deadbolt you can turn to engage privacy. Right in here, there's a sprinkler. Let's go take a look at the bathroom first. I got about 5 minutes to do this before it shuts off on me because I got it in 4K. Hey everyone, there's your sink. You got a bunch of soap, shampoo, shower gel, good stuff. Got 2 glasses there if you wanted to drink some tap water, which I don't recommend because it's got fluoride. It'll lower your IQ. There's the shower head. So that looks like, we'll point it that way so it doesn't splash on me. Works good. That doesn't shut down automatically, so I have to automatically do that. Here comes the royal flush. That takes a while, that gum. Alright, there's your thermistor, another mirror. Your first bed, your other bed, some pictures. Turn this slide on over here. You got your iHome. You're going to connect it with your Bluetooth or USB if you wanted to. Not going to do that though. You have a modern hotel telephone, which is nice. You got the Good Book and the Book of Mormon. There's your Samsung. Looks like it may be a 4K TV. I'm not 100% sure. Here for another Turning Point USA conference. Got some drawers for your clothes storage. In here, you got your coffee maker. Looks like maybe a Keurig, maybe. Well, I'm not sure. Ice tray right there. Some more glasses. You got a safe, which is good. And you got a micro fridge by Absolcold. Interesting name. Here you got your desk. You got my backpack, my suitcase. You got Life Water, which of course costs $5 if you want to drink it. So I don't think I'm going to do that. Another mirror. Hey guys. Another lamp. Commitment meets conservation. They're going green. They're trying to make you go green. There are your windows, and that's as much as you get. So you got all of this curtain space right here, and you got that much window on this side. Let's see about the other side. So yeah, they basically jip you. Go figure. Then you got a chair. You got another picture frame right there. That's your hotel room basically. Oh yeah, and you got a couple magazines right there too, so that's cool. You got a cool key card. I forgot what the other design looked like. It was pretty cool too. Here's the other one. Yeah, pretty cool key card design. It's got the Marriott logo on both sides. So, this is cool. So it's matte on this side, but it's kind of textured on the other. That's pretty interesting. Nice attention to detail, Marriott. That's very cool. Anyways, there's your look outside. There's Publix at 10 West Edge. I bet they have an elevator in there, maybe. I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah, that's the hotel room. So, smoke detector, fire alarm. That's pretty much it. And I'm out of time. So, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.